Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the SC5C error on Samsung Dishwasher in 2026. So we need to first of all understand what this particular error means. So this error appears when your dishwasher can't drain the water properly. Either water is stuck inside or something is blocking the drain system. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start inside the dishwasher. Simply remove the bottom rack and locate the drain filter. If it is clogged with food particles or grease, water won't drain. So you need to take that out, rinse it thoroughly and reinstall it properly. Now you need to take a look at the drain hose at the back. You need to look for the kinks or bends or blockages inside. Straighten the hose and flush it if needed to restore the proper water flow. Now, if the dishwasher is connected to a sink, the problem might not be the dishwasher itself. A clogged sink drain or garbage disposal can also prevent the water from exiting. So in that case, you need to make sure that you clear the sink drain as well and make sure that the connection point is not blocked. After cleaning everything, you can also perform a reset in which you just have to simply first of all turn off the dishwasher and then unplug it for about 5 minutes and then power it back on. This clears the error code. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.